Hello, everyone, and thank you for taking time to be with me today. I truly appreciate your presence. I'm Stephen Alice. Over the next few minutes, my goal is to really open your eyes on how thermal drone technology isn't just a novelty, it's fundamentally changing and redefining how we approach roof inspections inside the industry for the better. We'll explore how Aerial Aspectz leverages this cutting edge technology to bring what we believe is unprecedented results and insights. So let's get started. Before we dive into the future, let's acknowledge the past. Traditional roof inspections have always been a mainstay for a long time and a necessary part of property maintenance. But if you've been in the industry or in the field for a while, you've probably experienced firsthand the challenges they present, right? First, there's a sheer time commitment. Picture your team, picture yourself or a contracted team methodically walking a massive commercial roof. It's a very painstaking process, often stretches over multiple days, potentially disrupting business operations and racking up a ton of billable hours. Next is there's always a primary concern of personal safety. Every time someone climbs a ladder or steps up on the roof, there's an element of risk, right? We know that this is not ideal and we want to protect everyone as much as we possibly can. We're talking about working at extreme heights or uneven, slippery surfaces where a simple misstep can have a serious consequence. This weighs on everyone involved, from the actual employees to upper management, right? And then critically, there's a frustration of what may have been missed. So you have all these unprecedented circumstances, safety issues, risk issues with employees or workers being on top of the roof. And then you still may have the possibility of not capturing everything that you need while you're being on the roof, right? Even the most diligent inspectors are limited on what they can see and physically can touch based on the traditional standard of giving a commercial roof inspection. This means those insidious problems developing under the roof membrane and pockets of hidden moisture compromise insulation, they bleed energy, and at the very beginning, they cause structural weakness. And this can go completely undetected until it manifests into a way bigger problem where there's more damage and even more expensive to repair. This is where drone based thermal inspections come in, and aerial aspects. We're talking about a leap forward in speed, a significant reduction in safety risk, and a remarkable increase in precision in the detection of anomalies that could become bigger, more exacerbated problems in the future. All right, so what are these traditional limitations in more detail, right? So, first off, there's safety. Anytime you have someone climbing on a ladder or navigating a roof, especially large, complex ones, there's always the potential for accidents. That's a real cause of concern for the company involved. Secondly, time and labor. Manual inspections are incredibly time intensive. This isn't just about man hours, it's also about disrupting the delay and getting actual information from the inspection. Then there's a margin for error. Visual inspections, even by experienced professionals, can be subjective, and it's easier to miss subtle signs of damage, moisture, if they aren't immediately obvious. And then the lack of equipment. And even using handheld infrared devices, you're often getting very localized readings without the comprehensive top down perspective that our drones provide. You might be missing the bigger picture or crucial nuances that are just limited from the field of view that you have with the way that you're currently recording. This brings to the table of how Aerial Aspects directly counters these issues, and the advantages of using thermal drones really is a compelling argument. Our scans are non-invasive, no need for anyone to walk on the surface of the roof. It minimizes disruptions and potential damages. We achieve a large area coverage in an incredibly short amount of time. Think about scanning thousands of square feet in minutes and hours, not days and or weeks. The real power lies in early detection. Thermal imaging allows us to see temperature differences that indicate hidden moisture or failing insulation before those issues escalate into major expensive repairs. Think of it like an X-ray for your commercial roof. And then most crucially, we collect radiometric data. This isn't just a pretty heat map. Every single pixel on the thermal image contains actual temperature data. This quantitative information is valuable for accurate diagnosis and ensures comprehensive coverage, so nothing at all gets missed. And as you can see here, this is just a video that I've taken of one of my clients. Our mission is simple at Aerial Aspectz is to transform the inspection process into one that's smarter, faster, more cost effective by combining advanced aerial technology with precision thermal imaging, helping clients identify hidden issues early, reduce manual labor and risk, and make more informed decisions backed by clear, actionable data, all while saving you and your business time and money. That is our ultimate goal here, and that's what we hope to bring to each and every one of our clients. So how does this inspection process work, right? It's pretty easy. At Aerial Aspectz, we just don't fly a drone. We follow a systematic and professional process to ensure quality and actionable deliverables and results, right? So we start by our pre-flight planning, which this is a crucial step. We thoroughly map the site, assess airspace, and consider environmental conditions like sun, load, wind, and optimize the flight plan for the best possible data capture. For the data collection process, our Part 107 certified pilots then execute the flight using drones equipped with high-resolution radiometric thermal sensors along standard visual cameras. So we do a side-by-side of the RGB, which is considered your normal picture, and then a thermal image. We're capturing two critical data sets at the same time simultaneously. So we're able to see what's happening from a thermal perspective and then the RGB regular image perspective at the same time. So we're able to get accurate, actionable information from that. Step 3 is our analysis. This is where the expertise comes in. The raw data is processed using industry-leading software, and our trained thermographers meticulously analyze the imagery to identify and verify thermal anomalies that provide potential problems that will cause you down the road. So that's the whole point of us being able to look at that information. And then finally, our reporting step. Our client, receives a detailed yet to easy to read, understandable PDF that includes anointed thermal and visual orthomosaics, essentially a high resolution map of your roof showing the problem areas, along with a CVS log that provides raw temperature data for further analysis of your roofing capacity. All right. We've talked about a lot of information here, so let me share a quick case study that I've had with one of my potential clients. We partnered with a large retail facility that's concerned about rising energy costs here in Florida during the summer. On the surface, their TPO membrane, which is the type of roof they have, which is a TPO, appeared intact, but our thermal scan, completed in just under 30 minutes, revealed widespread insulation failure. Areas where heat was escaping due to compromised material, these problem zones were invisible to the naked eye. So even though the client had someone else to come and look at it, they weren't able to tell because they just did a visual inspection, had someone walk on the roof to see what the problems were. It went undetected and was missed by the regular visual inspection. So we were able to come in and throw our drone up in the sky and get a good radiometric thermal reading for them, right? Our detailed report helped the client schedule focused remediation, improving energy efficiency and providing long-term structural degradation. The early intervention was not only reduced energy waste, but also helped them avoid a full insulation replacement, saving an estimated $150,000. This is the impact of precise thermal diagnostics. All right. So why partner with Aerial Aspectz, right, for your thermal inspection needs? We're an FAA Part 107 fully certified and fully insured, giving you complete peace of mind. We also hold specialist certifications and qualifications from the leading thermal education program in the country, Infrared Training Center. Aerial Aspectz also holds an OSHA 10 certification. We're currently working on OSHA 30 as well. We constantly invest in our employees and in our business to make sure that we're providing the top value and the most beneficial value to our clients on an ongoing basis. We also invest in cutting edge technology like our thermal drones, which is the DJI MT3, ensuring top quality data. Our team is highly trained not just in piloting, but also interpreting complex data, thermal data. This is key. Pretty pictures aren't just enough when you're working inside of the commercial roof inspection industry. You need to be able to have actionable information that provides accurate analysis for you to be able to make your most step. And most importantly, we are focused on improving your ROI. We provide actionable insights to help you make informed decisions, save money in repairs, and ultimately extend the life of your roof. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video thus far. And if you're ready to take your commercial roof inspection game to the next level and experience these benefits for yourself, it's easy. Just connect with us at Aerial Aspectz. Our website is www.aerialaspects.com. Our email is aerialaspects@gmail.com. I will not read you the rest of our social handles, but as you can see, there's our Instagram, there's our Facebook, there's our YouTube, and our Google My Business is there as well. You can find more information on our websites. You can review our case studies and request for a quote, all at the aerialaspects.com. And don't forget to like us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and search at Aerial Aspectz for the latest updates and insights that we provide. All right, final thoughts. In summary, thermal drone inspections by Aerial Aspectz offers a significant, safer, faster, and smarter way to assess and maintain the health of your commercial rooftop. We're passionate about bringing technology to our clients and helping them prevent costly damage and make proactive maintenance decisions. Do you have any questions about drone thermal inspections or how they could apply to your business specifically? Please drop them in the comment section below. We read every comment and we'd love to help you out. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Aerial Aspectz to learn more. We look forward to helping you protect your valuable assets from now in the future as well. Take care from now. Bye-bye.